Wellgistics goes all in on XRP, bullseye explosive post-adoption price rally. Adoption. Ripple. XRP. The Florida-based company aims to leverage XRP's blockchain infrastructure to improve transaction speeds and lower settlement costs. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. Crypto journalist. Amin Ayan. About author. Amin Ayan is a crypto journalist with over 4 years of experience in the industry. He has contributed to leading publications such as Cryptonews, Investing.com, 99 Bitcoins, and 24/7 Wall Street. He has author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated May 8, 2025. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Pharmaceutical distribution company Wellgistics has announced plans to integrate XRP into its payment and treasury operations, making it one of the first publicly traded firms to do so. According to a press release issued Thursday, the Florida-based company aims to leverage XRP's blockchain infrastructure to improve transaction speeds and lower settlement costs for pharmacies, suppliers, and manufacturers. Currently, standard wire transfers can take up to 3 days to settle and may incur fees ranging from $10 to $30, often with limited cross-border capabilities and transparency. XRP offers faster, cheaper alternative for cross-border payments. By contrast, XRP transactions settle in 3 to 5 seconds and typically cost less than 1 cent, offering a faster and more affordable alternative for cross-border remittances. Wellgistics is challenging the notion that healthcare must rely on outdated systems and slow financial processes, said CEO Brian Norton. We believe the future belongs to platforms that prioritize speed, data clarity, and operational efficiency. To support its transition, Wellgistics has secured a $50 million equity line of credit, ELOC, which will fund its XRP integration and long-term treasury strategy. The facility will also help explore advanced concepts such as programmable liquidity and on-demand payments tailored to the medical industry. Norton said that adaptability, not legacy infrastructure, will define the future of healthcare innovation. I believe that the future winners in healthcare won't be the companies with the biggest buildings, they'll be those with the fastest rails, cleanest data, and most efficient platforms. SEC lawsuit against Ripple Labs concludes after 4 years. The legal dispute between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has concluded after more than 4 years, marking a significant development in cryptocurrency regulation. In December 2020, the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs alleging that the company conducted an unregistered securities offering by selling XRP tokens, raising over $1.3 billion. Ripple contested the claim, arguing that XRP is a digital currency, not a security. In July 2023, U.S. District Judge Annalisa Torres delivered a mixed ruling. She determined that XRP sales to institutional investors violated securities laws, while sales on public exchanges did not. Consequently, Ripple was ordered to pay a $125 million civil penalty. In March 2025, Ripple and the SEC reached a settlement. Under the agreement, Ripple would pay $50 million of the previously imposed fine, with the remaining $75 million returned to the company. Both parties agreed to drop their respective appeals, effectively ending the litigation. Last month, a potential security crisis was narrowly avoided after a hacker exploited a developer's access token to inject malicious code into a key toolkit used by applications on the XRP ledger. According to Aikido Security, the attacker gained access to a developer's Node Package Manager (NPM) token, allowing them to publish compromised versions of XRPL.js, the official JavaScript library for interacting with the XRP ledger. With over 140,000 weekly downloads, the package is widely integrated into hundreds of thousands of apps and websites, raising concerns over the potential scale of the breach. Could the XRP price push past $5 next? At the time of writing, the XRP price is hovering near $2.40. A move to $5, roughly a 100% rally, would require a cluster of tailwinds that, for once, are lining up at the same time. Regulatory clarity at last. March's SEC settlement wiped out the litigation overhang and confirmed that secondary market XRP sales aren't securities. Analysts argue this removes the single biggest hurdle to U.S. institutional participation. Corporate adoption sparks network demand. If Wellgistics proves that running payables, receivables, and idle cash on the XRP ledger slashes costs, other mid-cap corporates, especially in high-velocity sectors like e-commerce and logistics, could pile in, driving real-world volume and fee burn. Bullish on-chain signals. Daily transactions on XRPL hit an all-time high in April while active addresses are trending up, a mix that historically precedes outsized price moves. Technical analysts see an ascending triangle breakout above $3 opening the door to $3.80, then psychological resistance at $5. ETF and liquidity catalysts. Rumors of a U.S. spot XRP ETF revived after the SEC's softer stance have already powered moves toward $3. If even a mid-sized issuer files in 2025, the passive fund bid could accelerate flows similar to what Bitcoin ETFs unleashed earlier this year. Supply dynamics. Ripple's programmed escrow releases return unutilized XRP to lock up each month, capping net issuance. Should corporate demand and ETF inflows ramp faster than tokens exit escrow, the resulting supply squeeze could amplify any breakout. Put simply, with legal uncertainty fading, on-chain usage rising, and the first public company adoption story grabbing headlines, the case for a $5 XRP no longer rests on hope alone. It's a plausible upside scenario if these catalysts converge before the next macro risk-off wave hits. As always, investors should weigh the potential against the token's well-known volatility and the broader crypto market's sensitivity to macro shocks. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Expert makes bold claim. XRP's future price is already locked in. XRP price prediction. Here's when experts say $1,000 could become reality. Ripple behind Trump's XRP post. Could this controversy trigger a rally to $1,000? XRP price prediction. Price analysis. XRP price ready for comeback. Analysts see bull movement and strong potential for upward trend. 5 days ago. By Arslan Butt. Altcoin news. $330 million in BTC laundered through Monero. XMR jumps 50%. April 28, 2025. By Amin Ayan. Altcoin news. SEC clears ProShares XRP futures ETFs to launch on April 30th. April 28, 2025. By Shalini Nagarajan. Best crypto to buy for 2025, top crypto to invest in. 3 days ago. By NSS, Tavares. New cryptocurrency to invest in May 2025. 3 days ago. By NSS, Tavares. 12 best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2025, full pre-sale list. March 3, 2025. By Meb Keelikutty. 11 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in May 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 4 days ago. By NSS, Tavares. What is the next big crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.